Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Flue, a sandbox agent framework from the team behind Astro. It tackles one of the biggest challenges in the AI agent space: how to let agents operate powerful tools without compromising system security. We'll explore how this framework provides a safe, structured way to build the next generation of autonomous AI. When most people think of AI, they probably picture a chatbot. But what if an AI could do more than just talk? What if it could be handed a task, a set of tools, and a safe space to work, and then be left alone to fix bugs or manage infrastructure all by itself? A new framework is building exactly that future. That framework is called Flue. It comes from the team at withastro, who are already known for their popular web framework. Flue is described as an agent harness framework. That means it's designed to build, orchestrate, and deploy the next generation of AI agents. It's already gaining a lot of attention, with over 2,300 stars and nearly 300 of those added in just one day. And to be clear, this isn't just another AI software development kit or SDK. It's a complete system for creating agents that can perform actual, meaningful work. So, what problem is Flue actually solving? It tackles the lack of a standard, deployable structure for complex AI agents. In the past, developers who wanted to build agents that could interact with file systems or command-line tools had to create custom, often brittle, solutions. The existing tools were more like a box of parts, not a complete, cohesive framework. Flue's unique angle is to treat agent development just like modern web development. It provides a solid structure, similar to how Next.js organizes a React project. This allows developers to define an agent's logic in TypeScript and define its skills in simple Markdown files. This cleanly separates the how from the what. At its core, Flue's architecture is all about decoupling. The agent's coordination logic, its skills, and its execution environment are all treated as separate, modular components. This modularity is powered by its most innovative feature, a flexible sandbox system. A good way to think about it is giving an agent the right workshop for the job. For simple tasks, like translation, it uses a lightweight virtual sandbox that's incredibly fast and scalable. But for complex jobs, like fixing code inside a CI/CD pipeline, it can connect to a full remote container environment using services like Daytona. This hybrid model avoids the one-size-fits-all problem by optimizing for both speed and capability. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Another key aspect is its runtime-agnostic design. Flue agents are written once and can be deployed anywhere. This could be a standard Node.js server or a serverless platform like Cloudflare Workers. When deployed on Cloudflare, it does something really clever. It uses a feature called durable objects to give agents persistent memory across sessions. This means a support agent could pick up a conversation days later, exactly where it left off, creating a truly stateful and robust user experience. So, what does this look like in the real world? The possibilities are powerful. A developer could build an agent that runs in GitHub Actions. It could automatically triage new issues, try to reproduce a bug, and maybe even suggest a code fix. A business could deploy a support agent on Cloudflare that intelligently searches an internal knowledge base to answer customer questions. For more advanced use cases, an AI programming assistant could be given a full remote development environment to clone a repository, install dependencies, and perform complex coding tasks on its own. The learning curve is fairly gentle for anyone familiar with TypeScript, but the core concepts of sandboxing and agent orchestration are definitely new territory for most. Of course, it's important to be realistic here. The project is explicitly marked as experimental. This means its core APIs are subject to change, which poses a risk for any team considering it for production. Furthermore, while the sandbox system is a core strength, it's also a critical security boundary. Any vulnerability could lead to a sandbox escape, which is a major concern, especially in high-privilege environments. There's also the innovative connector system. It uses an AI to install integrations, which introduces a layer of unpredictability compared to traditional package management. That unpredictability could be a hurdle for some teams. In the end, Flue represents a significant shift in thinking. It moves the focus from building simple AI tools to building autonomous AI workers. It provides the structured, deployable, and runtime-agnostic framework that the space has been missing. And this is something to pay attention to, because it offers a glimpse into a future where software development isn't just about writing code, but about collaborating with and deploying intelligent agents.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.